Welcome, here I've got OPPO Find X2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more advanced camera options. Here we have the composition, so let's tap on it, and now at the last place here we have the level, so our camera leveler. By using the button from the right we can turn it on and off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and as you can see here we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to hold our device steady and want to take straight picture. So this is how to use this. Of course, when we don't need it we have to go back to the right corner to the composition and use this button to turn it off. For now, in the preview the leveler has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.